Hello. I have scrubbed those garlics up, and now I'm going to basically treat them like spring onions, salad onions, and put them on my dehydrator. I have 2 trays of the garlic. I put some stems there as well because I thought they may or may not dehydrate, but I can use them in when I'm making some vegetable stock. I can use them to give it a garlic flavour. I haven't bothered peeling because they're all small and they're all fresh, so it's still a living plant. Just got layers around the garlic slices. I've just made sure that every piece of garlic has got at least 1 cut edge to it, and I'm going to put it on for until they seem done. About a day. 32 degrees. So I'll show you another time what that's like and how much I got from them. This is my pot of garlic powder. They grew, divided, grew again, and this is what I got out of them. It was a bit like double dehydrating because, as you saw, I chopped them up and put them on my dehydrator, and when I thought they were all dry, I put them in my container that goes on my processor that, you know, finally chops it. But it was still slightly wet inside, so I put it back on the dehydrator to dry out some more, and then put it back through and ended up with the powder. The onions I pulled are done exactly the same with, and I think it's because they're fresh, that's why it's taking longer. They're now dry. I put them through here, but there was moisture in there, so I put them back to dry. So I put them back so that they would dehydrate some more, so I can get powder out of them. And they're on my dehydrator now. I've left the stems still there, the garlic stems, because they might need a lot longer, because I know the garlic did, so they're just going on there. But I'll use them to flavour stocks and stews and different things. I won't be mincing them up, grinding them up. I will actually use some next week, keep them in the fridge, use some, and I will freeze some of them as well. So they're handy whenever I want them. They should be alright if they aren't frozen, but I would rather err on the side of caution. Not bad for free food. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect